Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create Roblox account. So if you want to create your Roblox account, first of all you have to open up your Play Store application. So after opening your Play Store application, type Roblox and search for Roblox, and you can find the Roblox application. Just install it. So after installing the Roblox application, just come back to your home screen and just open up your Roblox application. After opening your Roblox application, tap on sign up, and in first blank you have to enter your birth date. After entering your birth date, in second blank you have to enter your username. So after choosing a username, you have to create a password for your Roblox account. So I'll choose mail and then tap on sign up. So after tapping on sign up, it will ask you to verify if you are not a bot. So now you have to pass this verification. So to pass this verification, you have to solve the puzzle. So after completing your verification, your account will be logged in successfully. So this is how you create your Roblox account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.